Hi, hello everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about aptitude questions with circuit solutions for GATE last minute questions and other competitive exams. These are very useful to all placement exams and other competitive exams. Please watch this video up to end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your nears and dears. First question. What would be the smallest natural number which when divided by either by 20, 42, or 76 leaves a remainder of 7 in each case. Now here, in each case, we get remainder 7, here we see 3047. So 3047 divide with 20, 21 ja 20, carry 10, 104, 25 ja 100, 47, 20, 2 ja 47 is remainder we get. 3047 divided by 42. 42, 7 ja, 7 2 ja, 14, 7 4 ja 90, 7 4 ja 28, 29, 294. 294 means 10 carry, 107, 42 ja 84. So we get nearly 23 is the remainder, but here we need 7. So this is not correct answer. So divide with 20, we get this is reminder 7. So for 42, we get how much reminder? We can check. 42 1 ja, 42 1 ja. Carry 18, 184. 42 4 ja. 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 is 16. 184 means 16. 167. 42 3 ja. 42 3 ja. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. 126. That means we get reminder is 41. This is also not right answer. Next here. 7987 divided by 42. 42 1 ja, 42 1 ja. Carry 27. 37. 37 means 378. 42 9 ja. 9 2 ja 18. 9 4 ja 36, 37. 378. So 7 is the remainder. Divide with 76. 76 1 ja, 76 1 ja. Carry 3. 387. 76 5 ja. 5 6 ja 30. 5 7 35. 380. Remainder is 7. So whenever we divide this 7987 with 20, we get remainder is 7. With 42, we get remainder is 7. With 76, remainder is 7. So option number C is the right answer. Next, 10 friends plan to share equally the cost of buying a cost for their teacher. When two of them decided not to contribute, each of the other friends had to pay 150 more. The cost of the gift was. So first initially they equally say 10x equal to 8 into remaining 8 persons. 8x is 150. 8 into x plus 150. 10x 8x plus 0 15 8 ja 120. 2x equal to 1200. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 0 0 600. Now here how many people is there? 10 people. 10 into 600 6,000. 6,000 is the right answer. The gift price is 6,000. Next, the pie chart below has the breakup of the number of students from different departments in an engineering college for the year 2012. The proportion of male to female students in each department is 5:4. There are 40 males in electrical engineering. What is the difference between number of female students in the civil department and the female students in the mechanical department? So here 5:4 is there, and here in electrical 40 males is there. How much percentage is there? 20. Males here, male to female ratio is 5:4. 5 parts is 40. 5 1 ja, 5 8 ja. 4 parts is 32. Total is 72. 20% value is 72. 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja. 10% is 36. Now in mechanical, how much percentage is 10%? 10% value is 36. And now here in this 10% 36, females is how many parts? 4 parts. Total parts is 9. 9 parts is 36. 4 parts is 9 1 9 4 4 parts is 60. This is females in mechanical department. Now here civil department 30% is there. 10 3 times. Here 3 6 18, 3 is 9 plus 1 10. Now 9 parts is total strength. 9 1 9 2. One part is 12. Female is 4 parts. 12 4 48. 48 females in. This is civil. This is mechanical. Now what is the difference between these two? 48 minus 16 is 32. 32 is the right answer. So that is the difference between number of female students in civil department and female students in mechanical department. Next. The given statement is followed by some course of actions. Assuming the statement to be true, decided to correct option. There has been a significant drop in the water level in the lakes supplying water to the city. So in the lakes, the water level is dropped. So what is the course of action? Which one is suitable? We find here. The water supply authority should impose the partial cut in supply to tackle the situation. Yes, first one is the right answer. The government should appeal to all the residents through mass media for minimal usage of water. So government compulsory appeal in that cases. So that is also right answer. The government should ban the water supply in lower cases. So this one is the wrong. Both 1 and 2. Statements 1 and 2. Next one. Next one here. Here you see that the number of students in class who have answered correctly, wrongly, or not attempted each question in an exam are listed in the table below. The marks for each question are also listed. There is no negative or partial marking. What is the average of marks obtained by the class in the examination? So average marks means here 2 marks, 2 1 into 21 42, 3 into 15 45, 1 into 11 11, 2 into 23 46, 5 into 31 155, total 11 12 17 19, 6 10 15 19, 299. Total strength here 21 plus 17 plus 6, 38 44, 40, 244, 44, 299 by 44, 44, 6, 6 4 24, 24, 264, 264 means 6 point something. Option number C is the right answer. The figure below shows an angular ring with outer and inner radii as B and A respectively. The angular space has been painted in the form of blue color circles touching the outer and inner periphery of angular space. If maximum number of circles can be painted, then the unpainted area available in annual space is. Now, so one circle instead of another circle, to find only this area. This area is 1/4. This total area is this circles. This area is pi. Formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square means this radius is b. B square minus a square. So it occupies 1 by 4th of this one. So subtract that one. 1 by 4 of 5 by 4 of what is that area? B minus a whole square. So subtract this one. So option number A is the right answer. Two straight lines drawn perpendicular to each other in xy plane. If alpha and beta are the acute angles the straight lines makes with the x-axis, then alpha plus beta is. This is xy plane. This is 90 degrees. Sum of 30 degrees in any triangle is 180. Alpha plus beta plus 90 equal to 180. So alpha plus beta equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. Option number B is the right answer. Total revenue during 2014 to 18 is shown in the bar graph. The total expenditure of the company in each year is 5,000 million rupees. Then the aggregate profit or loss on the total expenditure of the company during 2014 to 18 is. So 500 for a year, total 500 into 5, 2,500 is the expenditure. Here 500 plus 700, 1,200, 2,000, 2,600, 3,000. 3,000 is the total amount he will get. 3,000 minus 2,500 is equal to 500 is the profit. 500 by expenditure into 100. 1 ja, 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 0. 20% profit. Option number B is the right answer. A cube is built using 64 cubic blocks outside 1 unit. After it is built, 1 cubic block is removed from every corner of the cube. The resulting surface area of the body after the removal is. So 4 cube equals 64. So 1 cube side value is 4. Surface area formula is 6 a square. 6 into 4 into 4. 6 4 the 24, 24 4 the 96. Option number D is the right answer. So I think everyone understood all these shortcut methods. These type of questions very useful to last minute preparation of GATE and placement exams like as Microsoft Wipro, Infosys etc. And also these are useful for any competitive exam. Thanks to everyone. Please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel.